Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open your phone's camera app or a barcode scanning app that supports QR and 1D codes. Make sure you've granted camera permission so the app can access video. Hold the phone steady with two hands and position the camera about 6-12 inches from the code. If it's small, move closer slowly. Once the code fills about 1/3 of the frame, keep the phone level and let autofocus finish so the code appears sharp before proceeding to the next step. Now frame the barcode centrally and allow the app to detect edges. You'll see a focus rectangle or highlight when it's recognized. If autofocus struggles, tap the screen where the code appears to lock focus and exposure, because automatic shifts can spoil scanning. For long or damaged codes, take multiple short videos or photos to capture clear frames, then use a scan from photo feature. Make sure to keep the phone perpendicular to the code to avoid distortion and skewed readings. Once the app decodes the barcode, read the result and confirm it matches the expected product or link before tapping any action. If scanning fails, clean the lens, increase lighting, or adjust angle and distance. Small rotations often help. If the code is printed poorly or warped, try a different app with advanced decoding or photograph the code and use a photo scan feature. Lastly, when all else fails, manually enter the numeric code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.